good afternoon, parents. My name is Ritu Sahani. I'm mother of Nandini Sahani, who's a student of Mentors Capital. So this has been a short span that my daughter started coming here. But today, after coming for the PTM, which the Mentors Capital had organized for all the parents and the students together, I felt quite overwhelmed. And it's been quite a nice experience that I'm glad that my husband and I took this decision for our daughter. So it's been quite nice to know in the sense one that this is altogether something not that both us as parents haven't learned, haven't studied. So when our daughter is getting this chance to do something again which is new to her forte as well, but having such mentors by her side, I feel quite gratified and I feel quite thankful, and so far I feel comforted that it seems that she's on the right track. So see, the fact remains that if your ward has been coming here just by herself, so as a parent you may just have the duty of doing the transit for dropping off your child and just leaving, and having the kind of environment nowadays at home, you have parents have their own work and children have their school, so this is just like an extended learning that they're having towards the end of the week. So like on one of the Sundays wherein it's like a family day time, when you kind of get time to just spend together, so wherein this PTM that has been organized, so I feel it was just the right day to choose and to right platform and the time wherein both parents and the child together were there and they could have got the chance to share their views along with the mentor. So that's something that I kind of really cherish. I'm personally very fond of attending PTM. So again, talking about my child, yes, Nandini, so her personal attributes are such that she likes to discuss what she likes. So she has been discussing about, the factual subjects. She's always been fond of factual subjects. So she's been getting hands-on learning, say legal studies, or I don't know much that what she's been doing because she keeps on telling me in bits. However, all that she's been learning, she tells me about that she is building up interest towards legal studies, towards logical reasoning, and she also shares the subjects and the topics that are related to life, so which we as parents, perhaps we as adults, we had also not witnessed. So we are getting to learn through her. So all that is nice thus far. So I'd like to share my my view here that see, for students of grade 11th and 12th, well, their mentors in school, they play a very extremely significant role. However, on the flip side, the students do not really consider them that seriously because they have been with the school for a while, so they don't really tend to take that legitimate advantage of those mentors. So having these mentors, these extended mentors available, over the weekend, that we have had them in our lives, to prepare them for their future. I think my daughter started taking their words much more seriously. I'm glad about it. So parents, my daughter is a student of Mentors Capital. Her name is Nandini Sahani. I vouch for it. You too should go for it for the law course at Mentors Capital.